with social media, clout chasing has gotten at an all-time high.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
And you see situations. I'm gonna bring up one situation. I don't know if you've seen it. Funny Marco. He has a podcast which there was a clip that went viral recently where G Herbo and the producer Southside, they was on his show, and although we don't know the context, but it was mad disrespect from Southside and G Herbo towards Funny Marco,
right,
which is the host, right? So let me just, without going too deep into it, like they really, really disrespected him and really violated, right? And a lot of people was coming out and saying, "Damn, was it staged for the sake of trying to get more clicks, or was it really these dudes are acting like this just because to generate more buzz for their career, right?" Because you see, like how 50 Cent came in the game where he was like attacking everybody. That was his angle. So
right.
The question I want to ask you, seeing all of that and seeing how fans and just people are crossing the line more and more to entertainers, athletes, and celebrities, they're crossing that line for clout chasing. Mm-hmm. What are your thoughts about that?
To each his own, man. Like, don't use me for the clout chasing.
That's what I'm saying, but it's crazy now.
You know what I'm saying? Just whatever you do, don't use me. But if that's what you got to do to get your likes and clicks, hey, more power to you. Just don't use DJ Nasty 305. Don't do that, because it's not gonna be sexy. You try to use me, it's not gonna be sexy. So, and I'm serious about that. I stand on that 1,000%.
Right.
Because I don't need the likes, I don't need the clicks, I don't need none of that. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like I'm self-made, self-independent, and don't need anything from anybody. Like, I don't need it. You know what I'm saying? So I don't all that click and. I was raised and brought up in a different era.
Different era, right.
At a different time. You know what I'm saying? Like, there was no such thing as likes and Instagram.
Social media and stuff like that.
That didn't exist.
It was really just records and cassette tapes, and like you said,
it was really you getting out there and really go get what you want to get. It's really going out and hustling and real deal going to get what you wanted to get. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'd have to sit back on my phone and DM somebody to hope they
Oh yeah, that's a whole different now. So things now is like impersonal, because like you say, you could just send a DM and try to reach out to somebody. Versus back in the day, you had to put your feet on the pavement.
I mean, I have my team do all that, but me personally, that's a no go.
Nah, it's not.
I gotta go see you. Like, what's up? I'm here. That's how I got a lot of my. That's how I got a lot of my gigs.
Really?
A lot of gigs that I got, a lot of the annual gigs that I do, that's how I got them. I just pulled up on people like, what's up?
Like, hey, what's up? Yeah, I'm here, Hey, honey, I'm home.
Well, like, what's up? Like, what you want me to do? Like, what's up?
Right. Like, how you can get value or whatnot, right?
Yeah, like, again, it's all about hustling. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to hustle. And Instagram is a cool way to hustle, but I guess I'm just that old school. So
let me ask, do you, I know because we talk about old school and new school, do you vibe with the new school of art of hustling, like you say, with the social media and everything, or you feel like the lost art of breaking bread, where you really face to face, that's kind of like phasing away?
Nah, you have to. You got to be engulfed in both ways. You know what I'm saying? Like, I get it. I understand the new hustle. I get it 1,000%. All love. But it's just like the wheel. The wheel's been the same wheel since BC. You know what I'm saying? It's the same wheel since the Flintstones. Ain't no difference.
And it ain't going to change.
It ain't going to change. It's going to be the same wheel no matter what.
Going round and round.
They may upgrade the wheel, which is the new wave and the new age of doing things.
Right.
But it's the same wheel. You know what I'm saying?
Good point.
It's the same wheel no matter what. So, I mean, and old school always works too, just FYI.
Okay, I can see that, because it definitely sets the foundation for the new school. I mean, there would be no new
1,000%.
school if it wasn't for the old school,
1,000%.
right? Okay.